Hi, my name is Johanna from Hotwire Communications. My superpower is recognizing the superpower in others and just making sure that everyone knows that I see their strength, really acknowledging that, whether it's in my personal life, my work life, my day-to-day, just really emphasizing that I see the good in everyone.
Hi, my name is Kelly and I work at Hotwire Communications. My superpower is my willingness to help others. As someone who's recently graduated from college, I've found that the best way to learn and grow is to jump in and help with whatever I can. And being a team player has been really beneficial, not only for my personal life, but also to contribute to the team around me.
Hi, my name is Kelly Fry. I'm from Hotwire Communications. I would say my superpower is bringing people together. I think in order to be influential and successful in work, you have to have really great people that you surround yourself with, and you can only be a jack of all trades and a master of none if you're the only person in the group. So that's my superpower.